Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to unlink and disconnect your League of Legends account from your Discord account. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application, sign into your Discord account where your League of Legends account has been linked to. This is very important, and from there go to the button left of your screen where the user settings appear. Now inside the user settings you simply go down to the connections right here, and here you see all the accounts that has been linked to your Discord account. Now from here, let's say that my Steam account is my League of Legends account, just to show you for this tutorial. Now what you will do is simply head down to the little X mark right here, simply press it, and from there you can actually disconnect your League of Legends account from your Discord account. Simply press disconnect and that should be it. Now make sure to check your servers beforehand, because sometimes it will remove you from certain servers that you joined via League of Legends. Now, if you still get any other questions or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.